the InMotion E20, a smart, compact, and powerful electric scooter designed for modern urban commuting. With a perfect blend of portability, performance, and style, the E20 makes your daily rides smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. Crafted with a lightweight aluminum frame, the E20 weighs just around 36 pounds or 16.5 kilograms, yet it's strong enough to support up to 264 pounds or 120 kilograms. Its minimalist folding design makes it incredibly easy to carry, store, or tuck into tight spaces, ideal for the city lifestyle. Under the hood, the E20 features a powerful 500-watt motor, delivering a top speed of up to 25 kilometers per hour or 15.5 miles per hour. The high-torque motor lets you conquer slopes of up to 18%, while its whisper-quiet operation keeps your ride peaceful. Powering your journey is a 36V lithium battery that offers up to 30 kilometers or about 18.6 miles of range on a single charge. And with regenerative braking, the E20 recycles energy back into the battery every time you slow down, giving you more distance and efficiency. The scooter's 10-inch pneumatic tires ensure a smooth and stable ride, absorbing shocks from bumpy city roads. Combined with both front electronic and rear disc brakes, it delivers safe, responsive stopping power in all conditions. With its smart LED display, you can easily monitor your speed, battery life, and riding mode. And for those night rides, the E20 features a bright front, headlight, and rear brake light for maximum visibility and safety. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or exploring the town, the InMotion E20 is your reliable, eco-friendly, and fun companion on the go. InMotion E20, engineered for everyday freedom. Introducing Nike Aerogami, a groundbreaking innovation in performance apparel built for athletes who demand the perfect balance between breathability, protection, and style. At first glance, the Aerogami jacket looks sleek and futuristic, but its true magic lies beneath the surface. Nike Aerogami is equipped with an advanced responsive ventilation system designed to adapt to your body in real time. When your body heats up, tiny vents across the jacket automatically open, allowing fresh air to flow through and cool you down. And when you cool off, the vents gently close again, maintaining warmth and comfort. This revolutionary design is powered by moisture-reactive technology, a special layer of materials that senses sweat levels on your skin. The more intense your workout, the smarter the Aerogami reacts, giving you ventilation exactly where and when you need it most, without you having to lift a finger. Made with ultra-lightweight, breathable fabrics, the Aerogami is engineered for movement. Its flexible structure adapts to your body, offering unrestricted motion whether you're sprinting, training, or just moving through your day. Every detail is built for performance. From its laser-cut precision vents to its minimal seam construction that reduces friction and chafing, the Aerogami ensures a second skin fit. Plus, its water-repellent outer layer protects against light rain, so you're ready for any weather. Nike also designed the Aerogami with sustainability in mind, using eco-conscious materials to minimize environmental impact without compromising on performance. With Nike Aerogami, your gear evolves with you, keeping you cooler, drier, and more comfortable, no matter how hard you push. Nike Aerogami, ventilation that thinks for you. In a major advancement for rehabilitation technology, Wandercraft, the French robotics company, has equipped Henri-Mondor Hospital in Créteil, France, with its state-of-the-art Atalante exoskeleton, a revolutionary device designed to help patients walk again. Atalante is a fully self-balancing, lower-limb exoskeleton that provides hands-free walking assistance to people with mobility impairments due to stroke, spinal cord injury, or neuromuscular diseases. What makes Atalante unique is its ability to maintain balance autonomously, allowing users to move without crutches or external support. Using real-time adaptive algorithms, Atalante mimics a natural walking gait. It supports dynamic, upright walking and enables intensive therapy that strengthens muscles, stimulates the nervous system, and promotes better motor control. Patients can engage in repetitive, consistent gait training that accelerates recovery and improves overall function. Henri-Mondor Hospital, known for its leading rehabilitation programs, is integrating Atalante into its neurorehab sessions. This means patients can begin walking earlier in their recovery, gaining not just physical strength, but also psychological confidence and motivation. For therapists, the exoskeleton offers precise control over walking speed, posture, and step pattern. This allows for personalized treatment plans and reduces the physical strain on staff. During therapy sessions, it also enables more patients to benefit from advanced walking rehabilitation in less time. Wandercraft's mission goes beyond robotics. It's about restoring dignity and independence through movement. The Atalante exoskeleton represents a new era in mobility, where wheelchairs are no longer the only option. With Atalante now in place at Henri-Mondor, patients are taking steps not just in their recovery, but toward a more mobile, empowered future. Because the ability to walk isn't just physical, it's profoundly human. Imagine cleaning and pressing your clothes in just 5 minutes, without water, without harsh chemicals, and without a trip to the dry cleaner. Welcome to the future of garment care. Welcome to Presso. Presso is a revolutionary clothing care machine that redefines how we clean, sanitize, and de-wrinkle our garments. Roughly the size of a wardrobe, Presso uses advanced steam, air, and cleaning technology to treat clothing faster and more sustainably than traditional methods. It works by combining dry cleaning, steaming, and pressing functions into a single, automated process. Just place your clothing inside, close the door, and in minutes, your outfit is fresh, smooth, and ready to wear. But Presso isn't just fast, it's smart. The machine uses artificial intelligence to adjust the cycle based on fabric type, ensuring delicate items are treated gently while tougher fabrics get the deep clean they need. It eliminates over 99% of bacteria and odors, all while using 70% less energy and 90% less water than standard machines. Whether in hotels, retail stores, or even homes, Presso is helping eliminate the waste, plastic, and pollution tied to conventional dry cleaning. It's contactless, eco-friendly, and incredibly efficient. Presso isn't just about convenience. It's about transforming how we care for clothes in a world that values both speed and sustainability. With Presso, garment care becomes as simple and futuristic as pressing a button. Introducing the DJI ZenMuse L2, a high-precision aerial LiDAR system that sets a new benchmark in 3D mapping and surveying. Designed to work seamlessly with the DJI Matrice 350 RTK and Matrice 300 RTK drones, the ZenMuse L2 combines powerful LiDAR, an RGB camera, and a high-accuracy IMU into a single integrated payload. It delivers real-time 3D data with centimeter-level accuracy, ideal for topographic surveys, forestry, power line inspection, and construction planning. At its core is a next-generation LiDAR module capable of up to 240,000 points per second, with a detection range of up to 450 meters. It supports up to 5 returns, making it perfect for capturing dense vegetation and complex terrain in incredible detail. The L2 also features a 4/3 CMOS RGB camera with a mechanical shutter, enabling high-resolution colorized point clouds and photogrammetry support. Paired with DJI's enhanced IMU and GNSS system, it ensures positional accuracy down to 4 centimeters vertically and 5 centimeters horizontally, without needing ground control points. Its robust design is IP54 rated, making it reliable even in harsh weather and challenging environments. All data is processed using DJI Terra, offering seamless post-processing and precise modeling tools. With the ZenMuse L2, DJI continues to push the boundaries of aerial surveying, delivering efficiency, accuracy, and powerful integration, ready for the demands of modern mapping professionals. ZenMuse L2, scan smarter, fly further, build with precision. Introducing the SCORKL 2.0 Electric, a game-changing innovation that brings the freedom of underwater exploration to everyone, anytime, anywhere. Building on the success of the original SCORKL, version 2.0 now features an electric, battery-powered air pump, giving users the ability to refill their mini scuba tank on the go, without relying on bulky dive compressors or tanks. The SCORKL system is compact, lightweight, and designed for surface-applied diving, allowing up to 10 minutes of underwater breathing at a depth of about 3 to 6 meters, depending on conditions and breathing rate. Perfect for shallow water adventures, yacht maintenance, underwater photography, or quick dives around reefs and wrecks. With the SCORKL 2.0 electric, users can recharge the tank anywhere, anytime, using the portable electric pump, powered by a standard wall outlet or even a 12V source. It eliminates the need for manual hand pumping or trips to dive shops, making the entire system more self-reliant and efficient. Safety is a core feature. The tank includes a built-in pressure gauge, allowing divers to monitor air levels in real time. The regulator is always on, meaning it delivers air with each breath, just like traditional scuba gear. Whether you're a seasoned diver, sailor, or water sports enthusiast, SCORKL 2.0 electric empowers spontaneous underwater exploration with unmatched convenience and portability. It's freedom redefined. Just grab, pump, and dive. SCORKL 2.0 electric. Breathe easy, dive anywhere.